If your Genie garage door opener keypad suddenly stopped working, maybe the pin isn't working, or you just changed the batteries and now nothing happens, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to reprogram your keypad even if you forgot the old pin. We're gonna reset the keypad, pair it with your garage door opener, and then set a brand new pin. Let's get started. First, we're going to factory reset the keypad on the outside of your garage. Now, depending on the type of Genie keypad you have, there are two different ways to reset it. If your keypad has a program button and an up-down button, do this. Press and hold the program and up-down buttons together for about 5 seconds. You'll see the light below the program button turn solid, then flash twice, and finally turn off. That means the reset is complete. Now the default pin is 357, but if you have a Genie Intellicode keypad, the reset is a little different. Here's what to do. First, press the program button once. Then press 6, followed by the up-down arrow button. That's it. When the backlight turns off, your keypad is now reset and ready to go. And just like before, the default pin is 357. Now head inside your garage to the main opener unit. Look for the program set or learn button. Press and hold it for a few seconds until the light starts blinking. Once it's blinking, you're in program mode. Now go back to the keypad outside. Type the default code 357. Then press the up-down button 2 or 3 times. If everything's working, your garage door will start to close. Awesome! That means it's connected. But don't stop here. Now we'll change the pin. Make sure the lights on the garage unit are off before starting this step. Enter the current pin 357. Press program. Enter your new pin. For this video we'll use 1234, but you should use something secure that you'll remember. Then press program again. That's it, your new pin is saved. Let's test the new code. Type 1234. Then hit the up-down button. The garage door starts to close. And that's it. You've successfully reset and reprogrammed your Genie garage door keypad.